Storms Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 Pro Max for quicker wireless. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max is now quicker wireless. Is available in 3 storage options: 128 gig, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. So that 128 gigabyte iPhone 13 Pro Max is $1099.99. And then the 256 gigabyte version is $1199.99, and then a 512 gigabyte version $1399.99. Alright. So it looks like the iPhone 13 Pro Max and 512 gigabyte version is sold out, because the graphite color is sold out, and that's the only color that they have currently. So let's go back to the 128 gigabyte version here. Alright. So the 128 gigabyte version has 3 colors. You guys got graphite, which is currently out of stock. Gold and blue are the only colors in stock right now. And that's out of stock right now. Like I said, the graphite color is out of stock. So choose what color that you guys want. Hopefully it'll be in stock. So anyways, guys, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is here. So it looks like the iPhone 12 Pro Max from last year. So on the front of the phone, you guys got your nods for your front-facing camera and earpiece. Right side of the phone has your power button. Left side of the phone has your volume keys and your alert switch. And this has to be the right side of the phone. It has to be. I don't see why not. Like, I don't know. And then on the back of the iPhone 13 Pro Max is your triple camera system, along with your camera flash and your Apple logo. So pretty nice there. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch display, 12 megapixel cameras, 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. It says here iPhone 13 Pro Max, the biggest Pro camera system upgrade ever. 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion for a faster, more responsive feel. Lightning fast A15 Bionic chip, super fast 5G, durable design, and industry-leading IP68 water resistance, and a huge leap in battery life. So that's good. So the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max both have the Pro Motion feature, which lets you have your refresh rate at 120 Hz, which is very nice. So display is a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion for a faster, more responsive feel. The display has rounded corners that follows a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle. When measured as a standard rectangle shape, the 6.7-inch screen is 6.68 inches diagonally. Actual viewable area is less. Alright. So I like how they give you like the actual screen dimensions there. So pretty cool. Video cinematic mode adds shadow depth of field, and shifts focus automatically in your videos. Camera. Pro camera system with new 12 megapixel telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide cameras. There are all 12 megapixel cameras. You have a LiDAR scanner, 6x optical zoom range, macro photography, photographic styles, ProRes video, Smart HDR4 night mode, Apple Pro Raw 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording, 12 megapixel true depth front camera, with night mode, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording as well. That's coming soon. I don't know where that is. I guess this the ProRes video is coming soon. I don't know. So yeah, specs. Of course, it's good because this is the iPhone. This is a flagship phone. Of course, it comes with iOS 15 on board, so that is pretty good. You guys will get like 5 years of updates on this phone, so that's pretty fucking insane. Dimensions are 6.33 inches in height, 3.7 inches in width, 8.30 inches depth. Screen size is, like I said, 6.7 inches diagonal, all-screen OLED display. Memory is 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. Connectivity options, of course, is 5G, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax with 2x2 MIMO. I'm not sure what that is. Bluetooth 5.0. Cameras. You do get 3 cameras on the back. They are all 12 megapixels. You guys have a ultra wide angle and a telephoto camera lens on the rear. All 12 megapixels. Processor is A15 Bionic chip. New 6-core CPU with 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. New 5-core GPU and new 16-core neutral engine as well. So that's pretty cool. Battery built-in lithium, built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Alright. And accessories here, guys. It's all sold out here on QuickX website. But if you guys want to get accessories for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, go to Amazon. You guys will get a lot more accessories for your iPhone 13 Pro Max on Amazon. So go there to get your accessories, alright? So, there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is now here at QuickX Wireless. 2 and 3 storage options, 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. What color you guys want to make sure that it's in stock, because they do have a few colors that are not in stock right now, so they keep it in mind. So yeah, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is now here at QuickX Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.